How to fix we couldn't authorize your bank account on Vinted. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to make a payment or sell something on Vinted and it says we couldn't authorize your bank account, in this video we are going to see how we can fix that issue. First thing first, on your Vinted application, check your bank details. You can go to your account and make sure that all the information you have entered is correct, like your bank name, your account number, and your routing number. And if anything looks off, update it and try again. So some of the banks may not work with certain payment platforms, so you can double check support space or FAQs to see if your bank is listed as compatible with the payment system. If your bank is still giving you trouble, you can try linking a different payment method. Vinted offers options like PayPal or even a different credit or debit card. You can just go to the payment method section and add an alternate method to see if that works better. Sometimes the issue may not be your end at all. It could be a problem with Vinted server as well. So check their social media pages or the Vinted help section to see if anything else is reporting with the payments. And if none of those steps work, you can reach out to the Vinted's customer support team and you can contact them through the app by going to the help section and selecting contact us and provide them with the details of the error, and that should be able to help you or resolve the issue on the end. And that is it. Hopefully one of the steps will help you fix the we couldn't authorize your account on Vinted. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. And thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.